What's going on, guys? This is Sam, and as was previewed yesterday in a leaked Virgin Mobile memo, Apple announced two new iPhones today, a brand new product red iPhone 8 and a brand new product red iPhone 8 Plus. Last year with the iPhone 7, Apple did the exact same thing, right around halfway through the iPhone's life cycle, about 6 months after it was released. Instead of bringing out all the colors in September or October or even November, Apple saved one, product red, to release in the March-April timeframe. Last year for the iPhone 7, we saw it in March. This year for the iPhone 8 and iPhone 8 Plus, we saw it in April, and I have to say, after looking at a lot of images, it looks just as incredible this year as it did last year. But this year there's one big change. It is huge. I am so excited that we saw this. If you take a look at the front of the 2018 red iPhone 8 and iPhone 8 Pluses, they are black. They are no longer white like they were on the iPhone 7 and 7 Plus. For once in a lifetime, Apple was listening to customer feedback and actually did what customers suggested rather than just doing it white because Apple thought white looked better. And I have to say that that decision was incredible because these are two of the best looking phones on the market right now. I'm really excited to get my hands on one of these new iPhones. I think the black and red color scheme looks incredible, and I've been wanting to see an iPhone like this since we saw the black and white iPhone 7 last year. They're going to be available in stores on this Friday, which is April 13th, but if you want to pre-order, Apple says on their website they're going to go live after 5:30 a.m. Pacific Standard tomorrow on April 10th, which is a Tuesday. I don't know why they didn't give us a specific time. It just says, after 5:30 a.m. Pacific Standard. That'll be around 7 a.m. in Central Time, which is my time zone. And if you go with the pre-order option, Apple says that they will be shipping to you on Friday as well. I'm not sure yet if I'm going to pre-order tomorrow or just end up going in stores and trying my luck there. I don't think that the demand for these is going to be that insane. The iPhone 8 has already been out for a very long time, and as I mentioned, there's no actual improvements here. It's literally just a new color, but I really like the way it looks, and I'm excited to compare the color to gold that I have right here. Interestingly enough, we don't have the exact pricing for these phones at the time of recording this video. Apple just says that the models are going to start at $699. I assume that Apple's not going to charge any more for this new color option, so the regular 4.7-inch iPhone 8 in red will be $699. The 256GB version will be $749, with the iPhone 8 Plus starting at $799 for the 64GB model and $949 for the 256GB model. So they are going to be the exact same prices as the iPhone 8, presumably. We know for sure that that 64GB version of the iPhone 8 in red will be $699, which is the same price as any other color iPhone 8. Unfortunately, Apple has not released any other products alongside these red iPhones. AirPower is still missing in action. That's the wireless charging mat that Apple announced back in September. They said it's coming sometime in 2018. I thought we would see a press release possibly alongside these new iPhones, but we didn't. We have no idea when AirPower is coming as of right now. Thought we might even see a black and red iPhone 10 or a gold iPhone 10. We also didn't see that. But instead of that, Apple released a new Leather Folio case for the iPhone 10, so if you want to give your iPhone 10 some of that product red love, you can do so with this new case. As of right now, that is everything you should know about these new red iPhones. As always, I love hearing your thoughts. Are you going to be picking one up? Are you excited for them, or do you care about the new color option? Let me know down below in the comment section. If you enjoyed watching this video, it does help me out if you take 1 second to drop a like, and of course hit subscribe for more videos like this in the future. If you want to help support the channel, as always, you can head over to shop.iupdateos.com, buy a shirt there. That would be absolutely fantastic. For now, I've been Sam. I hope all of you are doing great, and I'll talk to you in my next video.